So guys, this is the final, the outcome. So each of these bag is like 250, and you can store it for up to 6 months. So this groundnut we have here is 2 kg, and then I bought a kilo for like how much did I buy a kilo? Kilo is like is it up to $3? So I bought 2 kg anyway. So guys, guess what? We are making kulikuli today. If you know me very well, you know that I love kulikuli. So I've been wanting to make kulikuli for a while, but this is an opportunity to finally make it. I'll carry you guys along. So stay tuned. So we don't even need much things. So just groundnuts, salt, pinch of salt if you want, pepper if you want. We're going to blend this in food processor. I will soon finish eating the granola. Yeah, I will not finish it though, it's 2 kg. Okay guys, so follow me. This is the food processor. I'm going to blend it here and then show you the process. Just stay along. I blend it 3 times. Yeah, I think this is enough. Yeah. So guys, do you see how the texture of, I can easily pour it out like this. If yours is this texture, you know it's ready. Just, you see, it's just close to liquid, or it's in liquid form, but this is not liquid though. All right. Okay, this is the first stage, blending. You can see how the 2 kilo, this is what came out of the 2 kilo, the 2 kg. So now we have to start turning. We are doing the manual type one. We don't have machine. The machine to turn it. So we use our wooden spoon or wooden turner, whatever. We use this. We turn it. As we turn it, we put 1 spoon of water. So why we put water is that the water helps in separating the oil. So as we are turning it, putting water, you'll be seeing the oil and we'll be extracting it. So why we're doing this is to extract all the oil in the granules before we start frying it, which is the last process. Yeah, for you to do this you need to sit down, guys. I need a seat. All right. Yeah, so we'll turn it. As we are turning it, we'll be putting at least one spoon of water. This is to enable us extract the oil, because we have to extract all the oil inside this before we fry. It's time consuming, guys. Yeah, but you want it. You see. Yeah, guys, this is the stage we are in now. We do this process until the oil comes out, as I stated earlier. And you can see it has risen. No, it was just very small. You can see the oil has started separating. If you look very well here, you see the oil is separating already. So we'll continue this till we start extracting the oil. Yeah. Guys, you can see the oil started coming out. So by the time I turn this very well, we'll start removing the oil set by set until we feel that we finish removing the oil. So at this time we've not added anything. No salt. For people that like to add sugar, no sugar. No people that like to add a pinch of pepper, we've not added anything. Some people also like to add Maggi. We've not added anything yet until when we finish extracting the oil. Then you can add whatever you feel you want to add. Yeah, it takes time, but the end product is usually very good. Yeah, so this is the oil. It's quarter liter. Has not reached quarter liter, but then, like, I'm glad that the oil has started coming out. All right. Yeah, so this is the consistency we actually wanted to achieve or to get. We are still seeing not so much, but very little tiny oil here and there. But I think this is okay. So we'll have to add our ingredients and then fry, since we cannot extract more oil inside. So to be on the safer side, because there is possibility there is still oil inside, so we add cornstarch, yeah, before we fry. Okay, we'll move to the kitchen. So this is corn flour. You just add that. This is your corn flour. So we'll be sure that all the oil will be absorbed well. I don't know, but this helps to okay. So you put the corn flour to mix it very well to bring it together to avoid scattering while on fire when you're frying it. So that is it. So guys, this is the final outcome. So each of these bag is like 250, and you can store it for up to 6 months or even more than, because it's dry, it's crunchy. So I got like from that 2 kg I got 1 2 3 4 5 6. I got like 6 of 250 grams each. Yeah, thank you everyone for staying true. Bye bye.